Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 60 from A exercises in James Stewart Calculus, 8th edition. So now we are solving this inequality from the textbook, which looks like this. And once again, we are assuming that A, B, and C are negative constants. So now remember, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, then your inequality basically changes its direction. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. Just by multiplying both sides by C, since C is a negative constant, this will now flip this sign to that, and on this side we're going to have BC. We're going to subtract B from each side so that we only have AX on this side. So AX plus B minus B is just AX, then BC minus B, and finally we're going to divide both sides by A. Divide both sides by A. Remember, A, B, and C are negative constants, which means once again we're going to have a sign flip. And this is your answer.